And now, WWE presents WrestleMania.
Impact to the spine and back.
If you ever have the displeasure of talking to Drew McIntyre for a while, he'll go on and on about today's youth. He really feels that the kids of today are too complacent, too busy with their video games and social networking, and that one day they'll all be working for him. Oh, man! He landed right on his neck from that German suplex.
It looks like Regal and Sheamus are going to work together.
Uh-oh, yes again. 1, 2, 3.
And William Regal is the first to fall in this elimination match.
Hey, look, Barrett and McIntyre are running away.
But they can't, King. This is false count anywhere. There goes McIntyre, and Sheamus is in pursuit.
McIntyre doesn't want any part of Sheamus, but I'm not sure where he's going. I don't know these guys could run so fast.
King, McIntyre's out of places to hide. Oh. Sheamus is punishing McIntyre, punishing the man that turned on him and took the World Heavyweight Championship from him at Elimination Chamber. Low kick, and McIntyre crashes into the window.
Oh, man, look out! 2.
And Sheamus has now eliminated 2 of his countrymen.
But there's still one left.
There he is. Sheamus saw it coming. Sheamus going for the high cross, looking to put this away.
Oh, man, that was close.
And now Barrett's on the run.
Where did Barrett go again?
King, the ambulance. Look at the ambulance. And a cat and mouse game with Sheamus and Wade Barrett continues. These two men fighting and clawing for the sake of all the gold in WWE.
Oh man, are they heading our way?
Look, King. There they are.
This is it for Sheamus.
Barrett has Sheamus going for Wasteland. And Sheamus escapes. Oh my gosh, he's not going to do this. He's not going to do this.
Oh no!
One, two, three! It's the winner and new European champion, Intercontinental champion, WWE Tag Team champion, WWE champion.
Sheamus has won. Sheamus has won every title in WWE.
Never in my life did I think I'd see anything like this.
Ladies and gentlemen, this next match is for the WWE Championship.
What is this? This is impossible.
Triple H, the game has returned. Sheamus on all fours, crawling, trying to escape the game.
Oh, this is gonna be good.
Stop. Triple H. I beg you. You want the W? Here. Please. Let me give it to you.
You can't give me the WWE Championship because I'm gonna take it.
No!
And this is Sheamus's penance.
Sheamus is gonna pay for his sins.
What should Sheamus be looking to do now, King?
I'm not sure there's anything he can do. They were very well matched going into this one. All he can hope for at this point is that his opponent makes a mistake.
The WWE Championship underneath the game. Pedigree! The game wins. Triple H is a 16-time world champion.
Wow, what a